Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced digital notebooks on the market, the iFlytek AINOTE Air 2. It's not just for writing. This sleek device combines real-time voice transcription, handwriting sync, multilingual translation, smart summaries, and even AI-powered conversations. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or someone who takes a lot of notes, this is productivity reimagined. Let's start with a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the iFlytek AINOTE Air 2 itself, the stylus, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. The device immediately feels premium. It's thin, lightweight, and has a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints. The stylus attaches magnetically, and the e-ink screen gives off that paper-like look, even when turned off. It's clean, minimal, and clearly designed for everyday carry. Let's start with the flagship feature: real-time voice-to-text synced with handwriting. As you speak, the AINOTE transcribes your words one word at a time, with incredible accuracy. What makes it special is that you can write by hand while speaking, and the device records both your handwriting and your voice transcription together, in perfect sync. The transcription appears live on the screen, just above your handwritten notes. This isn't delayed block-style text. It flows naturally. You speak, it listens, it writes, all in real time. This feature is perfect for meetings, interviews, brainstorming sessions, or lectures where you need a complete picture of both spoken and written information. Next up is something I didn't know I needed until I used it: auto-to-do generation from handwritten notes. Here's how it works. While writing, just press and hold the stylus button and draw a small circle around a sentence or phrase. AINOTE Air 2 automatically adds that line as a to-do item in your built-in task list. No typing, no switching apps. Your tasks are extracted from your natural handwriting in seconds. This is perfect for meetings or project planning, where action points are often buried inside longer notes. Now, they're instantly organized and ready to check off. AINOTE Air 2 also supports real-time multilingual transcription and translation. Before recording, you simply choose a foreign language, let's say Chinese. Then you speak a sentence in that language, and the device instantly transcribes it and translates it into English. Both the original transcription and the English translation appear right on the screen, side by side. This feature isn't just impressive, it's incredibly useful for international teams, traveling professionals, or students learning a second language. And just to clarify, this is not a live voice translator. It transcribes spoken language and then translates the text, all within seconds. Ever finish a meeting with pages of notes and no time to organize them? With the iFlytek AINOTE Air 2, you don't have to. After a recording or note-taking session, the device uses built-in AI to generate a clean, concise summary for you. It identifies key points, decisions, and actions, and formats them neatly. Even better, you can ask follow-up questions in the built-in chat box, like what are the main takeaways from this meeting? And the device responds based on your notes. This is next-level productivity. No more digging through messy notes or trying to remember what was said. It's like having your own AI secretary built into your notebook. Speaking of AI, there's an AI dialogue interface that's just a swipe away. It works like a lightweight assistant right inside the device. You open the AI panel, type a question or command, like summarize the last 3 notes, or list all action points from this week, and it instantly responds with smart, context-aware answers. It's built to help you extract useful insights from your own notes, without ever leaving the notebook environment. Beyond the features, AINOTE Air 2 is beautifully designed. It features a crisp, high-contrast e-ink screen that's comfortable to read and write on, even for hours. The handwriting response is smooth and accurate, with pressure sensitivity that mimics real pen strokes. It's slim, lightweight, and portable, yet powerful enough to handle complex tasks. Everything about this device feels modern, minimal, and built for serious note-takers. So, what's the verdict? The iFlytek AINOTE Air 2 is more than just a smart notebook. It's a full productivity system in your hands. It blends voice, handwriting, AI, translation, and task management into one seamless workflow. For students, professionals, creators, or anyone who lives in their notes, this is a serious upgrade. It's efficient, intuitive, and honestly, kind of addictive to use. Highly recommended.